glad that you're here, sir. So, this college is known for its very high reputation and is the best choice of parents. And that is because after great consideration and consultation, I came to a conclusion that the further generation is really responsible for the civilization and the illiteration of the nation. I mean, Indian nation. I have to tell you that we provide the best education and coaching system like no other colleges provide, and also make sure that we understand the problems of every student and solve it on the time. And we also have entertainments like college day, sports day, annual day, teachers day, and Valentine's Day too. No, there's nothing like dress code, you can wear whatever you like. The only thing you need to do now is just sign on this paper. We would give you a word that you will be called here only for valuable reasons. And now the only thing you need to do is please sign over here, sir. Your child's bright future is right over here in my hand. And the only thing you need to do is just hand over your certificate and please put a sign over here. I would tell you, work smart to get succeeded. Please don't expect much from us. All we can do is just give you the syllabus and that's it. And it's your effect how you're gonna study. And if you can't do that, you can just live. But remember that you have signed the bond, and according to that, you need to pay all the money of the academic year and then leave. I am so sorry, I can't help you on this. If you're not able to understand what the teacher is teaching you, then you can find some other tutor. Anyway, this is not any charitable trust to do according what you say. Listen students, I know what I told during the admission, but just because we have very less time in this academic year, I'm gonna cancel every such programs and entertainments of this year. And please don't disturb me telling about this. So sir, I have called you to inform something very important about your son. I just wanted to know, are you running out of your money that you can't afford for a pant for your son? I really don't understand. Why does he wear all these torn pants? And if some insects go inside, it will be very difficult. And you know what will happen next? You know why I called you here? It's because of your daughter. You know what she did? She touched guys. I know you're just telling that it's a hi-fi, but still, it matters too. I would tell you, do or die. Otherwise, work hard to get succeeded. You know what? Your bloody future is in my hands, so I can play with it. Once I drop it down, it's gone forever. So remember that you have signed the bond earlier. So mister, whatever it is, I don't want this to happen with your daughter again. Remember that you have signed the bond. Anyhow, everything's are in my hands. So be careful the next time. You can leave.